Hello guys, in this tutorial you will learn how you can send images and photos to your contacts and friends in your Discord chats using the Discord mobile application. So let us guide you through this, guys. So what you want to do is navigate to the Discord app on your Android, for example, and tap into that speech bubble in the top left corner to access your list of chats and conversations, and tap into the chat or conversation you'd like to send your image in. So let me go with that group chat here at the top with these users. You can alternately start a new chat by tapping into that speech bubble in the bottom right corner. So what you want to do here inside your group chat or chat is simply tap into that message field at the bottom to start entering your text. However, guys, if you'd like to attach, let's say, an image from your device, from your phone storage, you will need to tap into that plus button here to the left. And after that, guys, what you want to do is simply go through that storage here below, for example, and select the photo or image from your phone storage from that list here. Like, for instance, that one. Let me go with that channel icon here really quickly. And after that, confirm by tapping into that arrow icon here in the bottom right corner to attach the image to your message, and send it by tapping into that arrow icon to the right. Wait for a brief moment and that should send the given message inside your group with the attached image. There you go. So that's how it works, guys. Thanks for watching and I'll see you next time.